Open the ArcMap section. Okay, now can you see my screen? Okay, so in this time I just simply imported my tip image which I want to download it from the Google Earth Engine platform. Just I simply import this image NDWI Dhaka dry season which I downloaded in here. You can see. Then yes, so now you can see this image is imported. Okay, so I simply import my tip images. In this time I also need to import the Dhaka city boundary shapefile also in here. So for this I simply import the Dhaka city shapefile from my this file. I simply import the shapefile also, all of the city shapefile from Bangladesh. I simply put this file in here. Okay, in this time I simply in this time you can see this is the tip image and this is the shapefile of Dhaka city. Okay, in this time I simply cut this shapefile. From this shapefile I simply click on the lasso tool. You can see the lasso, select by lasso, and then selecting this area and simply click on here on this file and then data, export data. I simply export data. I can choose any file. Suppose I simply put this file. You can easily change the name. Suppose this name is the Dhaka and okay, then yes, then okay. Yes. Okay, now I can say I simply separate this shapefile of Dhaka city only. So I can say I put the Dhaka city boundary and this is the Dhaka city tip image which I downloaded from the Google Earth Engine platform. In this time, I just simply use this process. I simply system toolbox, same process, special analytics tool from here, and then extraction, extract by max. Then input raster, I simply put this tip image and also put here this boundary area and then okay. So now it is struck by max and this the color background, black color background will be removed from here. Okay, so now I can see another file is created in here. I just simply remove this. It's not needed for this time. I can simply add here the different types of color symbology. From the symbology I can use here the different types of color in here. So I just simply would this color look like this. Suppose okay, I want just simply click on here and revert. Okay, so now I can see we can easily identify the water body look like this color. So now I can simply represent it in, I can simply use, click on here, I can click the map layout, simply increasing and also increasing the map layout. So I simply click on the file and go to the page and print setup. I can simply increasing the weight and height. Suppose insert the 13 and also put at height suppose 15. Then okay, then also increasing, select the cursor and then using okay. By also increasing the height and weight from this here. So I simply open casing. Okay, so now I can easily add all of the things, map element, map title, and all of the things for representing this map. So I can simply colon and then title. Suppose this is the NDWI. Precision in Dhaka city. And then I simply add here this, suppose, legend. I simply use here the map legend. Add this legend in here. I also remove all of the other parts. Suppose I simply ungroup this, and then I simply put here this. I simply delete and also delete. Then I simply select and then simply merge and make a group, increasing. Okay. So in NDWI we can also, suppose I simply bold it. So simply bold and okay, apply and okay. And then also use here the other element of the map. Suppose I simply add here the map north line. Also use here this map scale. Okay, I put here this scale in here. And then okay, if you want, you can also use a map grid line. So for the grid line I can simply click on the layers and go to the properties, then click on the new grid, then next, and also put here the properties. I want to use here this vertical labels left and right, and also increasing, suppose 12, bold, and axis text I want to inside. Okay, labels, okay, lines, don't show lines. Again, then apply and okay, apply and okay. So it will be added, but it looks very small. So just by simply increasing the level. Of 18. Now I can simply add here the, suppose you want to also add here the um, base map also, I can see. Suppose I want to add here this topographic map, then add. Okay, now it added. So now I can simply export this map. I can simply export. I can simply set at the resolution 300 dpi and put this, suppose, in NDWI, right, and save it desktop, then save. Okay, so now it's save. I simply open this mail. Suppose. So I can see we can create this map from the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery and then make the NDWI map. All of the things we can do in Google Earth Engine platform. Just final output we can create it in ArcMap software. Okay. So I hope you can easily got this. Okay. So anyone any question in here? Any question? Any question in here? Or any doubt? Okay, so now we are moving our problem solving class. So previous two class, anyone any problem or any doubt, you can also share with me, and then we also try to fix the problem or a solution. Okay, so any problem for the previous two class, first day and second day?
So
Yeah.
I had an issue when I tried to create the NDWI chart of India.
Yeah.
An error came, like saying that the pixels are too much, so too many pixels in this region. So it's
For the whole
quite
country
difficult.
boundary of India. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
When I
Okay.
tried my state Kerala, it was easy. I
Yeah.
was able to do it, but not for India.
Okay, so if you want, you can also share your skin. Then we also try to find out the problem. Basically, when you want to make the time series chart for the big region, sometimes it's not work because there's a lot of pixel value, and when it will be across the limit of 5,000 element, then it will be not chart. Then we need to apply the another method using the CSV file format. We can download all of the time series data in CSV file format, and then we can easily make the chart in the Excel file. Or if you want, you can also increasing the scale of your so when you want to make this time series chart, you also try to increasing the scale value. Then it
Okay.
also, I hope it will also be work for the
Yeah,
big region.
when I tried to do it by through that method, like downloading, filter it from the LSIB, I was able to do it,
Yeah.
but not by uploading the shapefile and filtering from it.
Yeah, shapefile is not working.
When I tried to like that this one, right? That 1 minute, wait. That from LSIB, that large scale international boundary. When I tried to separate India from it and do the NDWI, it was okay, it was possible, but
Yeah.
not by through uploading the shapefile and filtering it. It was that error came that too many pixels, saying that it too many pixels.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so when you want to make the time series chart for the big region, I hope it will be better for you can easily download the CSV file format and then try to download the NDVI data from here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then it also better.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, okay, so anyone any question or any doubt for other two class? And I also provide some assignment. Then you also try to do for the assignment, and then face any problem regarding this assignment. Then you also try to solve this problem in here. Okay. So anyone any question? Or any doubt? Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sir, it's not a question or a doubt, but it's a request if possible. Can you share the codes, like in document, file document, for each class,
Okay, okay,
the
okay. So
codes to,
after completing the
yeah.
total all of the class, after completing the total of the all of the class, I will send you all of the things properly. Suppose first day code, second day code, third day, fourth day. You can get all of the things
Yes,
as a
sir.
serially you can get. So in this time, it's the continuous process. We also I will send you all of the code immediately for your practice. So when it will be finishing, then I also send you all of the document proper way and properly you can get. Okay, then it will also better for
Okay,
you to
thank you.
study.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So anyone any question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
actually, my image is in the pixels form. How to export it? Let me show you my screen.
Yeah, please. I simply stopping my presentation.
So, see this. how to export this kind of image.
Yeah, so I did
Actually,
not
when
see
I'm
your skin yet.
Mhm. Okay, yeah, this kind of pixels. So when I'm exporting this image,
Yeah.
so it is not clipping my whole area.
Yeah, so now you want to export this image, yeah?
Yeah, but it is in the this pixels form. How to smooth this?
Okay,
This
so in this time you can also increasing your time period. Then I hope it will be we can get the smoothing image.
no, so
Okay.
actually I'm working. I want this image for only 1 year.
Okay, 1 year. So you are
Yeah.
using here the Landsat Modis dataset, yeah?
Mm, yeah.
Landsat Modis. Okay, so basically Modis image collection is not the good resolution. So that's why sometimes we can get this image look like this. Okay, but we can also when you want to use at the increasing the time period, then it overcome the problem. Okay.
So I'm facing same problem for rainfall.
Yeah. Okay, so when you want to export this, how many scale you want to put in here for the export?
Actually, I exported this image. Scale was I didn't remember. I think it's 250. Yeah, 250 meter.
250 meter resolution. So you also
Uh-huh.
decrease the scale and try to export this image and then use it ArcMap software for
Exactly.
creating the final map.
Okay.
And do you use the max pixel value also for exporting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also try to ignore the max pixel and then try to export this. And basically when you want to use the max pixel value, then it will be increasing the pixel size, low the pixel size. Okay, resolution is the
Okay.
also it will be different on the max pixel. Okay, so that's why without max pixel value and also try to increasing the low scale, then I hope it will be working. And mainly when you want to face this problem, then it also overcome when you are using other long duration. Just simply take the another 1 year, then it also take the more images and then make this composite properly.
Actually, sir, I'm working for the decade, defense for decade 2011 2021.
Yeah, so
That's why.
okay, so that's a problem. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, another. So, for the population density, I'm getting this chart.
Yeah, so there is the no
What to
chart
do?
in here. Right? So population density, what's data set you want to use in here?
This,
Yeah, 6GPW data set. Yeah, so this data set you want to filter. Okay, so how many images you want to get between this time you want to check it. How many images you can get the only for
so
the
one,
one.
only one, only one,
Only
only one.
one. Okay, so only one image. Okay, so that's why I think you also need to increasing this more than two images, then it will be compared the time series chart. Okay, so only one image, so that's why it not create the any time series chart. Okay, suppose when you want to work with only for the one image for making the NDWI map, then there is the no way for making the time series chart. So time series it will be make the more than one image. Okay, when you
Oh.
want to make the time series chart, you need to add here the more than one image.
So, sir, what should I do for if I want this image only for 2011 and 21?
Okay, so what is the duration of this images? Suppose it is the 1 day,
This is
8 day.
2009 to
Okay, so you can simply go to the dataset information of this. So then you can check it. What is the duration of this time period? Suppose so there are the 8 day or yearly or annual. What type of data set they provided in here? You have to simply check it.
that is.
For the human global human population for the years 2015. Okay, 1 kilometer resolution grid cell. Okay. Okay, so you can also increasing the time period, then check the time series chart what happened.
Okay. So actually only one image is getting there. I want to work for this year only.
Okay, so try to increasing the time, then you can check if the chart is available or not.
Okay. Okay. And sir, I want to get the LULC of 2011. So which lens set I should use? I'm not getting the clear image in Lens 7. And how to increase, how to enhance the image? Can you please tell me in the next session?
Okay, okay, so okay, so next fourth number of class we also try to discuss about the land use land cover classification. It will be starting, then I hope you can easily get the solution
Okay.
of this
Okay,
time.
sir.
Okay, so anyone any question?
So let me share my screen to show that error that I
Yeah,
got.
yeah,
Okay.
please, yeah.
So is it visible now?
Yeah, please.
So this was the error that when I got, tried to do it.
Too many pixel in your region, so that's why it will be. Okay, 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 so basically, okay, so in this time you can simply go to the below of this code. Okay, just increasing the scale value. Suppose you want to put here
Scale.
the 1000 and then
Okay.
try again.
Okay, sir.
And it is the whole continent of India, yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. And if the 1000 it doesn't work, then you can also try to add at the 10,000. Okay, then I hope it will
Okay.
be also working.
Okay,
But
sir.
okay, and basically when you want to work with the big region, we it's better to download the data as a CSV file format. Okay, so I also try to later further class how you can easily download the CSV file format, and you also try to check it after it's 1000 is not work, then put here the 10,000. Okay, then I hope it will
Okay,
be
sir.
work.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so anyone any question? Okay, so if there is no question, then our today's session will be ending here. I also send you all of the recorded video class and also send you the practice code. You also practice and then face any problem. Then you also try to our next class, inshallah. And next class will be held on the tomorrow, inshallah, at the same time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
for
Good
joining.
night.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Good night. Okay. Bye.